The enhanced outreach creation is designed to make your work easier and efficient by reducing the number of steps. Let's see how it works. Once you land on this outreach section, click on New Outreach. In the first step, you have to give the basic details of your outreach, like the name of the outreach. If you have any third-party integration, click that. In case of channel, WhatsApp will be selected by default. If you have more than one phone number connected to your bot, you can see a drop-down of those numbers. Select the number with which you want to trigger this outreach. Tags are purely optional here. In case of trigger, Excel is selected by default, but if you are creating an API outreach, select via API. So in this first step, all you have to do is give the name of the outreach and the phone number of the outreach. In the next step, select the template that you want to send out. In the third step, choose the audience file that you want to send out. In the fourth step, your basic, which is you can see here, is the default recipe. So your default recipe will be selected here. But if you want to change the recipe, you can always search for that recipe and select that recipe from here. In the fifth step, all you have to do is set the publish timing of your outreach. If you want to send now, simply click on Send Now and publish the outreach. But if you want to schedule it for a future time, click on Schedule Later, set the frequency and the time you want to send the outreach at. But if you want to test how your outreach is going to look and feel to your end user, you can always click on Send Test. Give the test contact number here, like let me give a number, and click on Send Test here. Once you have tested out your outreach, click on Publish Outreach, and your outreach is going to be published. Similarly, if you are creating an API campaign, click on New Outreach again. Give the name of your outreach. Select the phone number that you want to trigger your outreach with. In this case, select via API. Select the template that you want to send out. Here, again the bot recipe will be selected as your default recipe. You can choose any other recipe for that case. Once you click on Publish Outreach, your outreach will be published, and once you come back to the dashboard, click on these three dots to see the view details, and from here you can see the API code. Once you get the API code, click on Copy Code and use this code wherever you want to trigger your outreach from.